This video is going to take you through using the Blackboard test tool to upload questions using the upload template. The template, when opened, will open with the Notepad software on a Windows PC, as it's just a text-based file and will look something like this. However, when opening with Excel, you'll then need to create it as a delimited file. So if you get a wizard that pops up, if you immediately click Finish, it will then open the template into columns in Excel. Now, the template contains different types of questions that are available within Blackboard. So for instance, you have MC for multiple choice, MA for multiple answer, and so on. You'll notice that each one of these is related to a particular question type. For this example though, I'm just going to use multiple choice and multiple answer. So I'm just going to delete those away, the other questions. I'm going to keep the template remaining. You can select a row, right click and copy, and then select another row and paste. And you could paste these multiple times if you wished. So that's right click, copy, click into the row where you'd like them to go, and then click paste. The reason that you copy and paste is because then it's easier for you to modify the questions to upload yourself. So the first column is always the question type, so that's the code MC for this one for multiple choice. The second one is then the question, and then you get the answer. So for instance, A, whether it's correct or incorrect, B, C, D. So you have columns for each of the questions. If you wished, you can create further answer columns by copying and pasting those there. So for instance, this could be option E. You can then select which one of these is correct by placing correct or incorrect into the column after the question. For the MA question type, the multiple answer, again you have the question here, and then you have the options for the answers. So for instance, A, B, C and D. You can then see that A and C would be correct when the questions are uploaded. So you can just copy and paste the rows throughout the spreadsheet, adding multiple questions and answers. You'll then need to save the file of the spreadsheet. To do that, click File, Save As, choose where you'd like to save it, and then choose the option Text Tab Delimited from the options if it's not already selected. Then click Save. You will get a pop-up maybe, click Yes, and you'll also maybe be asked if you want to continue with the save as some features will be lost. Click Yes again. Now if you access your Blackboard module, you can go to the Course Management section, Course Tools, Test Surveys Pools, and to Tests. And if you've already got a test that you're building, you can click the drop down and edit, or you can click Build Test to create one. If I edit a test from earlier, I then have the option to upload questions at the very top. So if I click Upload Questions, I can then browse, and now you need to find the file you've got saved. So click that file and then click Open. You can then select how many points you'd like per question. So in this instance, I'm just going to select one point a question and then click Submit. You'll then get a bar at the top telling you whether the upload was successful or not. And if you scroll to the bottom of the test in this instance, you'll see that the questions I added from earlier, the multiple answer and the multiple choice questions, have been uploaded. You can then, if you wish, change the location of these questions within a test by moving them up and down, or by selecting to randomly order them when deploying the test.